Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Glad to meet you. This morning, I will presentation about my full paper entitled Financials Based Digital Technology Transformations as an early adapter to increase the productivity of superior agrobusiness farmers and MSMEs in a sustainable manner in the West Java province, Indonesia. My name is A.G.P. Rati Andaningsi from Borobudur University, Jakarta, Indonesia. And it's important for men in Indonesia to be aware of the development of digital, which is increasingly occurring in business and industrial enterprises, agriculture and agribusiness sector. Agriculture functions as a provider of food, fodder for livestock and bioenergy. The role of agriculture, especially farmers, are very strategy supporting the national economy to achieve food security, increasing competitive, absorbing labor, and overcoming poverty. To realize food sovereignty by 2045, Indonesia needs accelerated agriculture transformation from being based on natural resources to being based on financial innovation. And agriculture technology system service based on accurate, efficient, effective financial transactions that are safer, faster, and cheaper in line with the challenge of the digitalization era. And financial transactions are faster, more economical, and cheaper and are in demand by customers, especially in agriculture and agrobusiness. The large development of a system that is capable of storing accurate data using digital technology facilities based on financial technology, for example, the use of QRs, is for farmers, agriculture produce with certain logo combination that are updated in collaboration with management parties who serve transaction for farmer activities and make it easier for farmers to carry out transaction for their daily activities. Of course, those with the agrofarmers for example, as logo, for example, which allow farmer and agrobusiness entrepreneur and agriculture produce to use them in transactions, especially for the agriculture business sector only. And identification problems. The importance of increasing financial based digital technology transformation to support the agriculture sector and agriculture agrobusiness, which is more productivity and favorable in sustainability era in the future in Indonesia. And formulation of the problem. Have farmer, agrobusiness farmer, and MSE is entrepreneur in the agricultural and agrobusiness sector in Indonesia use finance-based digital technology transformation services and optimally in their daily business activity in Indonesia. And especially for farmers are involved in the agriculture industry and sector optimally and optimal in its daily activity, you finance based digital technology service optimally and sustainable. The aim of the study increase knowledge and increasing the experience of researchers in research and special for farmer in the agriculture sector, for livestock player in the agrobusiness sector, MSMEs business sector, especially those who use the QRIS, mobile banking and network, and benefit of research for farmer and agrobusiness farmer. In particular, it's hoped that they will increase their capacity in using financial and networking. and business technology facilities well, efficient, effectively, well, and correctly, so that in the future it is hoped that the productivity of their agricultural products and agricultural results can increase optimally, maximally, and sustainably. And theoretical basis in 2013 agriculture census shows that the average RUPT income reached 26 1,561 billion per year, around the average of IDR 2 billion per month. Poverty studies relates to farming and international research carried out in the depth in a number of developing countries were coordinating within the chronic poverty advisory networks and funded by the United States government and implemented by the Overseas Development Institute or ODI. The British MI ODI 2016 Adwakar to 216. The result of the research generally concluded for them in the permanently alleviating poverty and Mueller and Chen ODI 2016, Scott 2018. Increasing productivity asset in carrying out agriculture business, facilities migration and the non-agriculture economy, improve the education and skill of farmer and family members, increasing the effectiveness of social protection in dealing with turmoil of the life. The MBAPB study 2015 found the main determinant of farming families working and doing business in the agriculture sector as follows: land control, agricultural income, family education and job, opportunity in the agriculture industry sector. And transformation can be growth and development enhancing good, but also growth and development big logging bad, so it must be managed. Transformation can be chosen as economic transformations between sectors, sectoral transformation among subsector, agriculture business transformation, and transformation family, farmer. The process of digital and financial based economic transformation for local agriculture and agro-business is not easy because it is related to measuring the level of wage and income of farmer in Indonesia. Therefore, strategic policy are very necessary for benchmarking and further identification in understanding the core agriculture sector and productivity in a maximal and sustainable manner in the future. Managing the agriculture sector, especially local agriculture, plantation, animal husbandry, and other agriculture agrobusiness sector, take into account the following: sustainable developments of downstream and upstream production center based on financial technology support by food security in certain by system, building and networking and connectivity of production center and other financial based digital technology with region throughout Indonesia, especially regarding infrastructure and logistic system in general. Agriculture digital technology can be defined as the application of information and communication technology through network and applications. The aim is to assist agriculture sector actor in making decision and utilizing research by World Bank 2020. Yes. And there are 55 agriculture digital technologies in Indonesia. These digital technology are generally still in the early stage or early ventures. Agricultural digital technology emerged from a public and private partnership scheme or KPAs through the Indonesian Japan Horticultural Public Private Partnership Project AGHOP4, where small farmers can be connected to loan programs through blockchain technology enable farmer data to be stored digitally. The use of agriculture digital technology is able to provide positive change for farmers. McKinsey data 2020 estimate that the use of modern technology in the agriculture sector can increase economic output by up to 6.6 billion per year US dollars. And the presence of agriculture digital technology such as HUB, which connect farmers. Research method. The research carried out use a systematic qualitative descriptive method which aim to understand the object being studied in depth according to Sugiono 2013. The descriptive method is a research method used to aiming the condition of object on state scientifically as opposed to experiment where the research is the key instrument. Data collection techniques are carried out by direct interview with agrobusiness farmers in the Bogor region, Sukabumi, and Bekasi, West Java. In this qualitative descriptive research method, the researcher took the population and respondents from MSMEs operating in the agriculture, livestock, agrobusiness, and other agricultural sectors. This symmetric descriptive qualitative method was used in the research because the research conduct focused on state of a natural object where the researcher himself was also the main instrument. Indonesia Research Sugiono 2016. Analysis, result, and discussion. Agriculture is a very important sector in the Indonesia economy, especially research taking the province of West Java as an example. West Java's an agriculture potential distribution of 70.5%, making the agriculture sector the backbone of the economy in West Java. Example of the use of agriculture technology to improve the welfare of Indonesia farmers. The first fundamental challenge is that there is no priority scale for the adoption of digital technology in the agriculture sector by the government. This can be seen in the strategy plan of the Ministry of Agriculture for 2020 until 2024, which has not yet specifically provided a strategy for adoption. Digital technology, MACOPS and Rebubong 2020. As a result, government support to create this program has not been limited and is not evenly distributed. The role of agriculture extension in this case is very much needed and needs to be improved, considering that there are still very few agriculture extension workers from the governments who can reach farmer. World Bank 2020. Based on the result of interview, the farmer in the agribusiness sector was satisfied and agreed with the financial-based digital system networking service that they had carried out so far for daily trade transaction, and they generally agreed very much if the financial-based digital technology network system was carried out through agro-farmers as a digital code for carrying out transactions for the activities for local farmers and rural farmers in agriculture and farmer production area. Supporting facilities to increase agricultural production, local and domestic access digital financial technology network and access certain QR code service. 35% support to the proposal agro farmer code. 10% facility from government and other institutional support. Service rice farmer, other farmer 45%, farmer in agribusiness sector 40%. Conclusion, technology and suggestion. Conclusion, there are still many obstacles in implementing digital technology. The research result obtained in the field using direct, based on the result of interviews with large entrepreneur, large retail, and middle and upper MSME entrepreneur, they understand government regulation number 55 of 2023 by 60%, and the remaining 40 do not understand. 70% entrepreneur know they are tax incentive, and the remaining 30 do not. They are tax incentive facilities from the government from result interview. Yes. And the farmers facilities increase agricultural production, local and domestic, access digital financial technology networks, access and certain QR code services 35%, and support an agro farmer for the olds, West Java, of course. Thank you very much for your attention. Good morning, everyone. Thank you.